Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install Evernote on your MacBook. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. First of all, open your preferred web browser. I'm gonna open Google Chrome browser here. And now we have to go to the official website of Evernote. So we have to type on the address bar evernote.com. Press on enter. Once the website loads, hover over the download section and click on it. Now, normally choose Download for Mac. Here you can see that the file is downloading. It will take some time. After download is complete, normally open the file and now click on this Agree button. Now normally select this icon and drag it to Applications folder. And that's it. We have successfully installed Evernote on our MacBook. So normally I'm gonna open it. As I am opening this for the first time, it's gonna verify it, and normally we have to click on this Open button. And now we can log in with our Evernote email and password and use it. That's all about today's video, how you can download Evernote on your MacBook. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.